registration.
You should.
This is breakfast. And now we're boiling some water for some oatmeal. My wife?
Yeah, getting ready, geared up for the day.
We ride today.
Today we ride.
Up and my dad was like, nope, you're going back down. No.
Yeah, when you're going up things,
You have to like lean forward. Yeah.
Think about like if the bike falls, you want to fall uphill with the bike. Guys, it's not a bad idea. Every time you stop, even if it's for a little bit of time, take your bag and helmet off. Get used to looking at your map, okay, periodically. Get used to it, because this map, as well as it's marked, it depends on you being able to actually follow where you're at, okay? Meaning you being familiar with what you just got finished. Oh, dang, dude. The whole valve. A bit too much weight on this back tire, and because of how the tire is seated to the rim with no tube on the inside, probably just hit a sharp rock or a small dip in the road, and it just kind of popped the seal of that bead around the tire, and so air came out. But we also discovered that he had a loose valve stem, basically nut holding the valve stem in, and so all we had to do really was actually just tighten that back up, put some air in it, and he was good to go.
So far it's going good. It's holding up. I had to ditch a lot of weight. You see back in this corner, I stashed my stuff. We're gonna come back by the same place, so you know, pick it back up again there. And I've lost enough food weight to where hopefully this kind of problem won't happen again.
We had the Mesquite Barbecue seasoned chicken. So much sugar in this, tasted like baby throw up. It was disgusting.
You have a lot of experience tasting baby throw up?
Yes. But yeah, it was gross.
It was so bad. It was like eating like stuff from the garbage disposal.
Yeah.
So we're just like, oh, we need the calories. Like, it's so awful.
I really like this company, Mountain House. It's cheaper, and I get it at Academy. And they have a chicken and dumplings. It's like really, really good.
That's just freeze-dried food. How it is.
Alright, got my water bladder. It's got some air in here that I need to release, so I'm gonna turn this thing upside down and suck the air out. There we go. It's all compressed, ready to fit in my bag.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Give me the high
You boys want to go to Mexico? This is a really nice time to start. If you don't feel good right now, starting out at sunrise, something wrong with your body, I guess.
Smile more, get good sleep, and eat really well, and drink a lot of water before you get here. Smiling will help your body kind of physiologically change to feel a little bit better even when you're really hurting.
Ride more before the trip.
Pack as light as possible and put as much stuff on your bike as you can. Because my back paid the price for that.
And it's worth a little bit of extra money sometimes to have the lighter stuff. Have bags that are more designed for backpacking.
I think the trip's been pretty awesome so far.
Bring less crap and take more craps.
Make sure you take these out of the packet.
Pick a line and stay with it and go slow, because when you try to switch lines, you end up with this on your helmet.
This is Cliff Blocks. It's like a very firm gummy bear that's not a bear, it's just a block. tuna, tortilla.
I promise we ride our bikes. Despite all of the hardships that we encountered with broken bikes and just heat and exhaustion, it was awesome. It was definitely worth it. I feel really accomplished. We just rode in from the Dog Trail and it's the best feeling in the world.